Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll start. So yesterday last we finished at the properties, angle sum property of arc.
Yeah.
Did you write it down or you want to write it down now?
I wrote it.
Wrote it? Okay, so we'll continue from there. Oh no. So angle sum property says that if in two arcs you have one point common, then the sum of the entire arc will be sum of the entire arc will be sum of the first arc plus sum of the second arc. Okay, only one point has to be common into it. Then you can use this property. Okay, today we'll start
Yes.
with the new theorem, that is chord theorem. It is also called as chord's theorem. So the statement of this theorem goes like this: the chord corresponding. Now corresponding means which is right in front of it. Okay, so the chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle are congruent. Okay, that means if the arcs are congruent to each other, then the chords which are in front of that arcs, they are also congruent. Now look at this figure, understand the statement first, and then we'll go with the proof. Proof is very easy, it's very simple. So here you see we have arc APC and arc EQC. Okay, now these two arcs are congruent to each other. That means arc APC is equal to arc EQC. Now, because these two arcs are congruent, the chords which are right in front of that arc, if you see right in front of arc APC is chord AC, and right in front of the arc EQD is chord ED. Because those arcs are equal to each other, chord AC and chord ED are also equal or congruent. Is this statement clear?
Yes.
So given, we'll start with the proof now. Now, whenever you start proof, always start writing with what is given. In the circle with center B, arc APC, that is this one, is congruent to arc EQC. This is given right in the statement itself. Okay, APC congruent to EQC. What you have to prove? You have to prove now chord AC is congruent to chord DE. This we have to prove. Fine up to here. Let's start with the proof now. This is a diagram. Now we have two triangles. We have first triangle, triangle ABC, and the second triangle, triangle DBE. Okay, two triangles you have. Now in these two triangles, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So firstly, side AB and side DB. Okay, side AB comes from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, DAB, that is this side, and from triangle DBE, that side BD, are congruent to each other. Can you tell me why will they be congruent? What is the reason?
Similarity, I guess,
No, it is
or
something related
that
to the circle.
incongruency, correct?
No, no, we
The
have to prove.
congruency that.
We are proving it is congruent. So first thing I have taken the side. Side AB is equal to side BD. But why?
I don't
Why
know
they are
that.
congruent? See, they are of this. They are something of the same circle.
Yeah.
What?
So
What?
they are
A? Can you
the
see AB's?
radius.
Yes, both of them are radius of the same
Oh,
circle.
so
So it,
then BC and BE are also same. BC
yeah,
and BD, everything,
correct.
like
Yes.
all four.
No, no, not all three side. Not AC. AC is a chord. AC and DQ are the chord. They are not the radius. So there won't be equal. Other side, what you said will be like BC and BE. That will be equal to each other. That is correct. But before that, we'll see the angle. Now, the central angle property. What I had said that the central angle and the arc in front of that angle are equal to each other. Yes, you remember the central angle and the angle which is right in front of the arc are congruent to each other. So if you see, look at
Can you hear me?
arc, yes, look at arc APC. Which is the central angle corresponding to arc APC? It is angle, can you tell
B.
me? B. So I'll
B,
name it
B,
as,
B.
no, angle, central angle.
ABC. You sure you can hear me?
Yes.
Because there is drilling going on in my house, so I don't
Okay,
anything you can hear.
I can hear you. I can hear you. It's okay. So it's in the question, it is given arc APC is congruent to arc, or I'll write measure arc APC is congruent to measure arc DQE. This is given. But what is measure arc APC? A measure arc APC is nothing but same as the central angle. That is angle ABC. Similarly, for arc DQE, which is a corresponding central angle. Can you tell me? D, D B,
DBE.
yes, DBE. So these two angles are also congruent to each other. That is this one and this one and this one. They are congruent to each other. Is this clear why these angles are congruent? Yes. I hope this statement is clear. Why angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE. This is given. Have you understood up to here? Yes or no? Internet went.